Good morning, grade 11 students. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about the types of writing. But before that, let's go with the lesson outcome. At the end of the lesson, the students should be able to classify different texts according to the type of writing. Recognize the generic feature and structure of a specific text. Identify the pattern and the development used in a specific text. Genre has also been considered as types or categories of writing, namely the narrative writing, descriptive writing, expository, persuasive, responsive literature, research writing, and last one, the writing for media. Each genre has subcategories or forms, each forms or category having a specific purpose and specific characteristic. Let's start with the narrative writing. Narrative writing tells a story. A story told from one's imagination is fictional narrative. A story about actual events is a non-fictional narrative. A narrative should have the following characteristics. Narrative writing has also its forms, the fictional narratives and the non-fictional narratives. Forms of fiction narratives are fantasy stories, historical fiction, mysteries, myths, legends, scientific or science fiction, tall tales, and etc. While non-fiction narratives are any kind of literature that tells a story about real people, events, and ideas. The different forms of non-fictions are biographical narratives, diary and journal, blogs, eyewitnesses accounts, and memoir, including the reflective essay. Remember, don't forget to use your module to look for the definition of these following words. Next one, descriptive writing. Descriptive writing expresses ideas and feelings about real and imagined people, events, and ideas. It uses precise language and sensory expression to create vivid image and figurative languages to express ideas in new, fresh, and interesting ways. A descriptive essay should have the following characteristics. Descriptive writing has also its forms. These are travel essays and definition essays. Third one, expository writing. Expository is a type of writing that intends to communicate ideas and information. It relies on facts to explain or to inform. The introductory paragraph presents a thesis. A thesis statement, which is the main point to be developed. The body provides the facts about the topic. A variety of sentences, structures, and transitions are used in the body. The concluding paragraph are the sum up of the ideas. An expository essay should have the following characteristics. Expository writing has also its forms. Compare and contrast essay, cause and effect essay, classification essay, problem solution essay, pros and con essay, newspaper and magazine article, internet articles, and on-demand writing essay. Fourth one, the persuasive writing. Persuasive writing aims to convince the reader to adopt an opinion or a course of an action. A strong persuasive text is logically organized and clearly describe the issue. To have an effective persuasive essay, it should have the following characteristics. What are the forms of persuasive writing? Editorial, an op-ed or opposite editorial, a letter, reviews or evaluation, an advertisement, and a propaganda. Fifth one, responses to literature. Responses to literature analyze and interpret an author's work. They extend to beyond literary analysis to evaluate and discuss how and why the text is effective or not effective. To be effective, response to literary text should have the following characteristic. What are the forms of responsive to literature? First one, the compare and contrast essay, letters to author, blogs and comments. Sixth one, workplace and the technical writing. Workplace writing is a writing done on the job or a part of a job. Often, in an office setting, it usually communicates details about a particular job or work project. To be effective, you should have the following characteristics. And then, what are the forms of workplace writing? A business letter, a memos, email, forms, instructions, resume, college applications, and job applications. Seventh one, a research writing. A research report is a presentation of evidence in support of a clear thesis statement. It is based on organized ideas and factual information from outside the sources. To be effective, you should have the following characteristics. And then, what are the forms of a research writing? These are the experiments, iSearch, scientific reports, historical reports, health reports. Next one, writing for media. The term media refers to television, newspapers, magazine, radio, movies, and internet. Each one is a medium of means for delivering information, entertainment, and advertisement to a vast audience. In the world of communication today, writers can write or print media such as books, newspapers, and also the variety of media such as scripts for screenplays, video games, documentaries, storyboards, and the websites and the blogs. And to have a good writing for media, you should have to ask the following question.